Are you thinking of installing a wood-burning or multi-fuel stove? Then look no further. We specialize in transforming cold, uninspiring spaces to warm, stunning focal points in any room. We proudly offer the UK's #1 wood-burning and multi-fuel stove installation deal. You will love our open and honest pricing, and you don't need to deal with them pushy salespeople. At UK Stove Installers, we make luxury affordable. Just head to ukstoveinstallers.co.uk. Here you can play around with different options and get an instant installation quote with upfront, open and honest pricing. Submit your choices and one of our team will be in contact to arrange your survey. Once you are ready, our HETAS qualified engineer will do the rest and take care of everything from start to finish. All of our stoves are DFRA approved and adhere to all required regulations. Get in touch with our team on the following contact numbers.